So here comes my ride of the video.
Please stand back from
A Northern Line service going to Morden via the Bank branch. And a High Barnet train arriving. Sound a whistle! Both ways. Okay, so journey on the Northern Line from this station, Totteridge and Whetstone, to the next station, Woodside Park. Enjoy the ride.
This station is Totteridge and Whetstone. This is a Northern Line train via Bank, terminating at Morden.
And leaving Totteridge and Whetstone. Next stop, Woodside Park. Here's the school.
The next station is Woodside Park.
Okay, guys. About to now get off here at Woodside Park. So make sure you press notification, like, comment, share and subscribe. The next journey video I don't know yet, but obviously like I'll keep you updated. And we're just about to arrive at Woodside Park where I'm going to be filming a few trains here today. So take care of yourself, bye for now.